Saving energy can cut your utility bills dramatically and save you money in the long run. Also, your home will be a more efficient and comfortable place to live. Most people think of renovation as a way to make their home more functional and beautiful. Some people do renovations for energy efficiency purposes only. So if you want to make your home more energy efficient and save money on your utility bills, consider these simple home renovations. 1. Consider a home energy audit. A home energy audit or a home energy assessment evaluates your home's energy use, safety, and comfort. It can reveal where your house is losing the most energy and help determine the best way to stop it. 2. Seal air leaks around doors and windows. Usually in older homes, you can see gaps around doors and windows that let air get in. The first and easiest way to seal these gaps is to apply caulk. This is an easy job that you can do yourself, or leave it to professionals to make sure that the job is done correctly. 3. Replace the windows. Older homes in Philadelphia usually have old single-pane windows, which are responsible for a lot of energy loss. If saving energy is your concern, you should pay special attention to this part of your home. 4. Install low-emissivity storm windows. If the cost of a double-pane window is too high, you can consider installing low-emissivity storm windows. These windows cost 1/3 of a double-pane window while saving you the same. You can add them to the inside or outside of your current windows. 5. Install energy-efficient window attachments. Another option is to use energy-efficient window attachments such as shades, shutters, and awnings. These attachments regulate your home's temperature and help you save more energy. 6. Install new exterior doors. By replacing your home's exterior door with an Energy Star rated one, you will benefit from a more consistent temperature inside and lower your utility bill. 7. Install low-flow shower heads. Low-flow shower heads use special mechanisms to reduce water usage. They also reduce the amount of energy needed for a hot shower. Less water use and less heating of hot water means lower utility bills. 8. Install a programmable thermostat. A programmable thermostat enables you to preset a schedule for heating and cooling and helps you save energy. These thermostats provide you with a 10% saving on your heating and cooling bill. 9. Install energy-efficient appliances. With improved technology, you can easily replace your appliances with energy-efficient ones. These appliances use 10 to 50% less energy compared to non-Energy Star rated ones. Therefore, paying for Energy Star rated appliances can be an investment. 10. Choose eco-friendly materials for renovation projects. Eco-friendly building materials not only benefit the environment but also provide cost saving. You can pay less for many materials in your home renovation by choosing eco-friendly materials over conventional ones. For example, recycled metal is less expensive than new metal. It can be overwhelming when you hear about all the changes, but don't worry, our team of experts at Matrix is here to help. Our experts provide you with the best energy-saving renovation ideas for your home. Together we can save energy.